Hey everyone, it's me, Code1996, and today I'm happy to bring you the professional series Hoover Portable Spotless Pet. This is a carpet and upholstery cleaner. This is so you can rescue your carpet from spots and stains. It has a self-cleaning feature that allows you to clean the hose after each use. It comes with their multi-purpose tool. It's portable and lightweight at just 9 pounds, and it has a 2-year limited warranty. Limited being the key, so you have to really read the warranty terms to know exactly what they will fix and do warranty for. So you can see right here, the lightweight at 9 pounds. It has a dual tank system, so the dirty and clean water stay separate, of course. And it's basically the same on this side. So let's open this, shall we? Alright, so we're going to open it up right here and see the carton contents, the carpet cleaner base, 5-foot hose, so that's nice, multi-purpose pet tool, and a sample bottle of carpet cleaning solution. So first thing on top you see is the owner's manual, and it says tested water for quality assurance, so that's okay. Thank you for testing it, Hoover, to make sure it's working properly. Apparently Bissell didn't do that with theirs. Expert clean spot treatment gel, so that is really good stuff. Alright, here's the tool with brushes on it. It's nice and see-through, completely clear, so you can see the dirt you're picking up. So right here we have a couple hose holders going to attach to the machine, and right here we have some solution. This is their pet messes solution, so we're going to remove this right here. There shouldn't really be much assembly with this, so we just take it out. Pull that off, and here we go. So there's really simple assembly with this machine. You take each of these, and there's one of them on the front. You just stick it right under here, just like so, just like this. Just like that. Each side will securely click into place. It's a nice rubber grip handle here, so if your hand somehow gets wet while cleaning, you can carry this. You can take it up this step and place it on your stairs, because that looks like it can completely fit on a stair, so that's good. You can see right here there's an ejection button. You press that and pull up and out, and there is your dirty water tank. There's a quick spout right there to pour out the dirty water, but you can also unscrew this and completely clean out the whole thing. And I like that. Here is where the dirty water comes in. There's where the airflow is. There's nice seals right here. It says remove lint and debris from screen. There's a little screen right here to remove lint and debris from. So that's good. You just take this and pop it in just like that. Really nice and easy. And the same with the clean water tank. There's a fill cap, but you can also take that off on the bottom and clean out that as well. So this is a really nice machine. You can see there's a little hair catcher right there, so that's good just in case that somehow gets hair on it. So overall, the first glance at this machine, I really like it. So hopefully it performs well and doesn't disappoint us. So let's get into the cleaning, shall we? Alright, so let's begin some cleaning. To remove the clean water tank, you just push this release button and pull up and out. It has a nice rubberized grip underneath, so if your hands get wet while filling the clean water tank, it'll be a nice grip and prevent you from it slipping out of your hands. So we're going to fill this up for small mess. Okay, so we have filled this up to the small mess and self-clean line there at the bottom. So we're going to fill this up with a half a capful of the solution because it's 2 times concentrated. So now you filled that up and you want to give it just a nice little shake. Let's do some cleaning with this Hoover Spotless Portable Carpet Cleaner. I just did a suction test and it literally feels just as powerful as an upright unit, just in this small size for spots. So if you want a nice powerful carpet cleaner, this is your carpet cleaner because it is way more powerful than that cheap Bissell one I had that spit water out at me. So let's see how good this one performs. So just remove the handle off the back of the machine, pull the hose out and around, and let's turn it on. It is quite loud. It is not a quiet machine. I will not say that it's quiet, so if you have your volume up, please turn it down. Okay, here we go. see we had a sick puppy. I attack the dirt from the front like this so it can suck up as much as it can before I make the backward pass. There's some hair right there from the brush because I wasn't able to vacuum. So this machine has done a really good job in cleaning up this mess. As you can see, really quickly we have been able to clean it up. You can see this area is actually really clean compared to the rest of it. It hasn't been down but just a couple weeks, this rug. And look at the color of this water. I mean, we did just clean up the pet mess, but that is also dirt and grit. So that's nasty that carpets get that dirty so fast. So we're going to continue on to some more messes. Make sure when you mix up the water in the clean water tank, you don't turn it too far on its side or upside down because there's a little hole right here above the cap. And that's to allow it to suck the water through down here and have airflow. Otherwise, this would just cave in on itself. So that is what that is for. So you can hear that whistle. So we have another spot right here. This one has a little bit more to it. I wiped it up as much as I could. It wouldn't come up. So we have to use the machine. Apply the solution to break it down, turn it into more of a liquid. You get the hair all wet. It's a really loud machine. Make sure you get it nice and saturated. Okay. Just short motion like this helps keep your brush roll cleaner. Just make sure you keep wetting it like this and go over with just the front little bit like this to help keep your brushes cleaner. You see? It's just best to go short like this. Keeps your machine cleaner, and you can see it works very good. And then you can do a back pass of clean. So just like that, it's cleaned up, so we can do a couple rinsing passes. And now some dry. Okay. So we're full right here. So that is the water, so we're going to go empty it. As you can see right there, there's where the dirty water has been pulled into the machine. And there is the airflow. There is a very little amount of residual water right there, just a little bit of splash, probably from the initial float valve popping up. So that is good. It did not suck all of that nasty dirty water into the machine. So we're about to use the self-clean feature. Simply place your hose into the hose cleaning port at an angle just like this. Turn on the machine and watch it clean. Okay, wiggle your hose if you want to. Wiggle it. You can see it sucking the water out. Isn't that nice? This is really convenient. Please forgive the mess. So now it is nice and clean. So we're going to empty the hose cleaning. I completely emptied the dirt bin before. So keep it parallel when you empty. And you can see that is everything we got out of the hose. So that is nice that we were able to clean out the hose very easily and effectively. So I hope you enjoyed this video with the Hoover Spotless Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. You may purchase this from Amazon via the link in the description below. Please let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.